War day number 707. 707 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed. Welcome today in a daily newspaper on Wednesday, January the 31st, 2024, last day of the month, January. We have had 3 regular puzzles. 2 of those I've already solved, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. And we have the binary left. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of those puzzles I will do in the evening. But let me continue with this one, the binary puzzle. Yes, boys and girls, the binary puzzle number 7908. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 27 printed digits this one have. And it's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. Yes, 10 by 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, let me zoom this. Okay. So let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double ones, Dano. Double ones, Dano. Double ones, Dano. Now the double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, Dano. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double, oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so that's the O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Then between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Then, let me see. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the ones comes in O. Alright. And now, let me see. Come on. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, if I place number 5, the 5th one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. If I place number 5, the 5th one there, then we still have 3 O's in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, come on. This is taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. They should be a 1. Double 1, there no. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And now. Let me see. Well, I'm stuck. Ooh. What's happening? Okay. Here I cannot do anything. Here I cannot do anything. Here. 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. No. Or there. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm stuck. Overlook something. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. Ah, see? Overlook these two double ones. Okay, double one. Here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Okay, now let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double O, here one, there one. Okay, between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. It's taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Hmm. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. I think it's time for comparing. We have 3 completed columns. No. 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay. We have here 100. Nope. So cannot compare this column. Do we have here double ones? Here double one. Oh, yeah. This column and that column. Empty box. 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. Empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 3, 4, okay. And now 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Okay, now we have a double 1 here. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now, well. Need to compare again. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Come on. We have here a double 1 here. Nope. Cannot compare this one. We have here a double 1 here. Let me check. Here we have a double 1. Here also. Yeah. This one and that one. Okay. Empty box. 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch these two boxes. With O here, this should be a 1. With 1 here, this should be no. Alright, double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1 2 3 4. This is number 5, okay. 1 2 3 4 5. Also the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Need to compare again. Well. 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Yeah. I need to compare again. Well, question is this row, that row, or this column, that column? Let me see. Double O here. Do we have a double O here? We have a double O. 1 O. Okay. 1 O 1. 1 O 1. This one and that one. All right. O O 1 1 O O O O 1 1 O O 1 1 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. With 1 here, this should be no. With O here, this should be a 1. Alright. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no. There, no. Double check. 1 2 3 4 5. Correct. 11 minutes. Well. Tough one. You need to compare several times. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I will do the thing. So, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.